Dix, sagot na Dix. Okay, let's start with the prayer by Sir Mildix.
Please rise for our opening prayer. Let's put ourselves in the holy presence of God and the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. God of justice, you lead us in life's journey. As we gather here in your name, open our minds to know your voice, open our hearts to do your work, and open our hearts to hold your spirit. Amen.
Amen. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tuesday, May 19, 2026. Welcome to the private conference for the proposed contract to with 26K003, rebidding, widening of permanent bridges, Bugang Bridge 1, along Cavite Circumferential Road. Number 2, 26K0031, construction completion of multipurpose building operation center, Barangay Poblacion, Sagay, Camiguin, with the coordinates of 124.72472 degrees and 9.1048861 degrees. Number 3, we have 26K0032, construction completion of multipurpose building, phase 2, Operation Center, Barangay Poblacion, Mahinog, Camiguin, with the coordinates of 124.7835867 degrees and 9.156606 degrees. Number 4, we have 26K0033, construction completion of Sitio Madling to Burgos Street, Barangay Poblacion, Cataraman, Camiguin, with the coordinates of 124.67862166 degrees, 9.1299013 degrees at the beginning, and the coordinates at the end of 124.67635533 degrees and 9.1274095 degrees. And number 5, the last is 26K0034, construction of road, Sitio Kiboro, Barangay Poblacion, Municipality of Bambahaw, Province of Camiguin, with the coordinates at the beginning 124.71500,499 degrees, 9.24237666 degrees, and coordinates at the end of 124.717941166 degrees and 9.24132 degrees. But before to start, may I request Ma'am Nilan Simasio for the attendance. Thank you.
Good afternoon once again. Welcome to the pre-bid conference for the 5 proposed contracts. For the attendance for this afternoon, we have our back Vice Chairman, Engineer Apolinar Elvis A. Hamero.
Present.
Back members, Ms. Nona C. Chu, Engineer Nisel G. Boholano, and Engineer Larry Nino M. Lapiceros.
Present.
We also have our head back TWG, Mr. Edwin G. Cagulada,
Present.
with its members, Engineer Joselito V. Corpin Jr., Engineer Jimson Intia, Engineer Ariel Ernest Magallanes, and Engineer Johan Mike B. Saliao. We also have our head back secretariat, Engineer Evelyn V. Paderanga, with its members, Mr. Mildixtor Yu Chu, and yours truly, Neil Anvinos A. Simasio. From the Planning and Design section programmer, we have Engineer Kyle Sia. From the end users representative, we have the Barangay Kagawad of Poblacion. We have Mr. Patrick Joseph Oclaret. The Punong Barangay of Barangay Bugang, we have Mr. Rodolfo Galon. From the prospective bidders, we have from Jedros Construction Corporation, Charlie J. Bongo. From FNTC Construction, we have Miss Mayflor Tadlas. Hapos Sansol Enterprises, we have Miss Miloviel Podilana. From CLC Construction Services and Supply, we have Miss Joyce Ralios. That's all for the attendance for this afternoon, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Ma'am Nilan. Since majority of the back members are present, therefore I call this meeting into order. To proceed, may I call Ma'am Evelyn Baderanga, the head back secretariat, to discuss about the agenda of this private conference.
Good afternoon, everyone. Pursuant to Section 51.1 of RA 12009, for procurement projects to be bid through competitive bidding with an approved budget for the contract of 3 million or more, the BAC shall conduct at least one pre-bid conference to clarify or explain any of the requirements, terms, conditions, and specifications stipulated in the bidding documents. Its main purpose is to ensure that bidders fully understand project specifications, minimize bid errors or disqualification, and promote transparency by answering questions before submission of bids. For these reasons, we will cover the following topics. First, we will review the action items and outstanding matters from our previous meeting. I am referring to the pre-procurement meeting. Number two, the brief presentation, explanation by the BAC on the basic contract data, including contract description, ABC, and duration, the requirements of bidding documents, the documents to be submitted by the bidders, the technical proposals and financial proposals in 3 copies, 2 photocopies, and 1 original copy. The criteria and procedure for eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification and award. The BAC will adopt the non-discretionary pass or fail criterion, meaning if the bidder submitted the required document, it shall be rated pass. But if bids fail to include any of the requirement or are incomplete or patently insufficient, shall be considered as failed. The criteria for contract award, the BAC will use the lowest calculated responsive bid. The lowest calculated responsive bid, where the considerations for the award of contract are the eligibility of the bidder, the responsiveness of its bid to the technical requirements, and the lowest financial bid. Another agenda, the questions, comments from bidders, and replies of BAC and other representatives of the procuring entity. Other matters, and lastly, the summary of proceedings, including supplemental or bid bulletins to be issued. That covers all items on the agenda, Mr. Presiding Chair.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Evelyn. So, okay, let's proceed to the first project issues and concern about 26K003, widening of permanent bridges, Bugoang Bridge 1. Ini di TWG. Ma'am Secretariat, okay.
Good afternoon once again. The BAC conducted pre-procurement conference last May 6, 2026. So these are the following issues and concerns raised during the said conference. For the BAC TWG findings, bullet number 1, number of hours of a traffic controller, flagman, since the number of hours computed was the total duration. Next, item for Craneway was included in the program and was not included on the plan. Rechecked spacing of rebars for the superstructure. Spacing reflected on the table does not match on the design plan. Provide details on the typical section for the flood control. Other concerns, Engineer Lapiceros asked why there is a Craneway included in the program. So Engineer Basilan answered that the Craneway is not included in the program and she just forgot to hide the item in the bill of quantities. So Engineer Lapiceros added that the inclusion of the Craneway is just only for launching the precast girder because the Craneway for piles was already included in the cost based on the Blue Book. Next concern, Engineer Basilan raised concern to the back about the number of hours to be used under the traffic controller flagman if it is either total calendar days or only during working days, since she considered the total duration in the computation, which also includes holidays and Sundays. This is also for the safety purposes of the public, since every day there is always a motorist passing the bridge. So Engineer Lapiceros answered that only during construction hours need to be considered, since motorists can still pass the bridge in a two-way direction. Engineer Hamero confirms the back that only working days should be considered in the computation. Next, Engineer Basilan said that there will be a change in the quantities since there is a discrepancy during the program. Engineer Nisel Boholano asked if there are any electric wires or poles being hit during construction. Engineer Lapiceros asked what will be the solution in that particular matter, since the electric company is the one who is responsible for transferring poles and wires. Engineer Hamero answered that the transfer of the electric post was already prioritized by our secretary. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Wala laya da. TWG katong kaya ang unresolved ani is katon mang gi-change ang ang details sa river. Katong uban resolved naman.
So ang uban na findings, Mr. Presiding Chair, sa back TWG is na kuan na address na. Ang kanilang ang narami concern, Mr. Chair, kay ang nahatag sa mo na findings kadtong sa TWG wala mi katong sa whole minutes bitaw. So wala mi kabalo kung sa tong other findings sa aside sa TWG.
May 26. So katong beyond our control naman to. So kato na lang changes sa details na mapas na.
Kadto siya corrected na siya tanan.
Na bid bulletin. Ang tula. Ang bugang wala pa. So deadline on billion is May 26.
Record pa like bugang. Pero kung sa plans ra, basig na usap. Plans ra makating. Pero yung si Lia is na correct na kuno niya kasi wala pa lang nagawan.
We'll just remind the planning and design section that the deadline for the bid bulletin is on May 26, on or before May 26. I-follow up lang let's May 26.
Mike,
Okay, so let's proceed to the presentation of the project.
Present ni Mike. Okay? Bugang. Na, apaw ra og di. Ha? Giskan lang pa og di. Di mo sakit. Pag di mo sakit, discuss ra mo. May ikaw ng sakit. Tanpa. Chairman.
Di ma-share. Ay, nag-share ko. Yan lang yung For the first project, widening of permanent bridges, Bugang Bridge, with bridge ID B00016CG along Camiguin Circumferential Road. The station limits of K36 plus 154 to K36 plus 174.45, with total appropriation of 23,828,000 and an ABC amount of rotatean. With a total ABC of 23 million. Sakto ba? Dahil lagi dahil. Hindi mo siguro. Mag-una ni. With a total ABC of 23,284,012 pesos and 79 centavos. For the quantities, basa. Same ba ni? Hindi ayun siya. For the construction of field office for the engineer, one lump sum. Project billboard for occupational safety and health program, 7.37 months. Traffic management, one lump sum. Craneway, one lump sum. Under earthworks, removal of structures and obstruction concrete, 19.85 cubic meters. For bridge structure excavation, common soil, 86.56 cubic meters. For embankment from roadway structure excavation, common soil, 116.96 cubic meters. Part F, bridge, under bridge construction, precast concrete piles furnished, 450 millimeter by 450 millimeter, total length of 660 meters. Precast concrete piles driven, 638 meters. Pile shoes, 24 each. Splicing of RC piles with epoxy, 24 each. Test pile furnished, 450 millimeter by 450 millimeters, 60 meters. Test pile driven, 450 millimeters by 450 millimeters, 58 meters. Concrete railing standard, 40.9 meters. Reinforcing steel grade 40, 32,691.52 kilograms. For grade 60, 42,879.13 kilograms. Structural concrete, 20.68 megapascal, class A, 28 days curing, 218.94 cubic meters. For structural concrete, 25.58 megapascal, class A, 28 days, 110.28 cubic meters. For structural concrete painting works, 203.04 square meters. Lean concrete, class B, 16.5 megapascal, 4.6 cubic meters. Pre-molded expansion joint filler with sealant, 12 millimeter, 0.33 cubic meters. For the expansion joint rubber multiplex expansion joints, 40.9 meters. And for the drainage and snow protection structures, drain pipe of galvanized 16 linear meters. For the plan, Mm. Total contract duration niya is 221 calendar days with total working days 165 calendar days and predetermined unworkable days of 56 days. Okay. Wait, for a while, open lang yung DED. Pa-open ka. Ayaw ma-open ng DED. Ayun. Dugay ka, ayaw load. Oh, lagi kay answer ko, di siya mo-open, dugay kayo. So for the DED, this is the vicinity map of the project. This is the Bugang Bridge showing the abutment A and abutment B. Ano siya? The topographic plan. So this is the bridge profile. Ay, nawala. Wala. Okay. Showing the bridge profile of the Bugang Bridge. So this, the left side showing is the abutment A, with station 36 plus 154, and abutment B, station 36 plus 174.45. This follows as follows the grade elevations finished. So finished grade elevation of 11.3 meters elevation. And top of footing is 6.8 meters. These are the allocation of the piles. 6 piles, both ends of each abutment of the widened structure. 450 millimeters by 450 millimeters. Cross section of abutment A showing on the screen. In the center part is the existing Bugang Bridge, both sides for widening. Typical ni siya, typical cross section, same as abutment B. So other plans shows the cutting list. We hope na na-update na ni. So the cross section, showing the typical railings for the section railings for the bridge. So I think typical design for the piles, square piles, 450 by 450. Wing wall. Ano wala? Wing wall ba? So, other details, typical details for a bridge construction, joints. Appeal dito, appeal yung may flood control. Wala budget ng bridge talaga na tama, no? So, na-include lang siya sa plan pero dili appeal sa quantity ang flood control. So, that's all for the Bugang Bridge widening, Mr. Presiding Chair.
Thank you, Engineer Salyao. Now we will ask questions from the end user. Kap? Wala na, okay na. Now, from our prospective bidders, we will begin with the JJE. Mamel, any question? CLC? FNTC? Asan isa? King of the delayed bridge, yours? Nakakasya? None. So from DBAC members, Ma'am Nona,
None, Mr. Presiding Chair.
Ma'am Nasil. So let's proceed to the next project, 26 KE 0031, Opsen Building of Sagay. The issues and concerns.
For 26 KE 0031, these are the following back TWG findings. Detailed engineering plan provided an electronic plan with CCTV, smoke detectors, etc., but not included in the program of works. So please indicate whether roughing ins components were to be installed if applicable.
Hunong sa ta. Dito ka, tubag. So let's answer in every each point. So katong question answer to answer.
Tubag to ni
Sa option sa guy, namo ko siya yung problema, Mr. Presiding Chair, kay ang site, bago pa siya na survey, so amo pagpasiguan, kung masigub ang site na naay septic, amo nakoy kana sa ni open son. I-share. I-share sa daan. Ang karon wala pa gid napay na lang program kay wala pa mo napay na lang site. So, amo ra gi-present na bago pa gid siya niya na mga changes si mayor, yan na sige pang delete ng mga partition, ng mga doors, ipang swap. So wala pa gid naka-final sa kwan ma'am sa program. So sa kani
May 26 ka po na.
May 26. So mo ni siya ang site o kana siya ang site atubangan na siya dito sa kilid sa may kahoy o kilid po sa municipal police station na Bag-o. Is Nexon. So kana siya nay tulo ka affected na buildings so ganina pa man nahuman ikuan sa ni Nexon. So mo ni siya ng orientation it's either kana kanang dito sa gym gi kuan sa gym og katong Bag-o na o katong karaan na municipal hall o ang next Tenson kani po na orientation. So amo pa ni pa-approve kung okay ni siya na orientation kaso lang kana siya na orientation na tulo ka maigo na building na health center katong sa PCSO kat old municipal police station o may demolish siya. So mora gid na siya ang update kanong wala pa siya na final lang program.
So ang question is wala namang tubag pending pa.
Wala pa na final lang program kung unsay
Next item.
In item 100224, cold water lines fixture adapters were not provided in DUPA. When using a PPR pipe water supply system, these adapters are connected to water supply fixtures such as faucets. Moreover, angle valves were also not provided in DUPA. So according to Engineer Ranalan, that she will recheck since the item was included in her program of works.
So kana siya ang giwatan is plan ang nagulat lang si Jassy sa plan sa sa water lines kung unsa ko na specs na yung panggamiton.
Ni Jimson adto is ay program og water line puro ra PPR wala ba ta consideration nga ini connect nimo sa
Mm.
fixture di man ta pwede ang PPR na magito
Ma-
yung adapter
ma-
di ba ya
mao to siya nga
wala
gi-
ma-apply sa program
Mao tong iya gihotan dili niya siya kapay na sa program kay ang plano dito po siya mag-base sa plano. So ang suggestion po sa planning is kung pwede ko no ang ato ko no mga master plumber ko no mo prepare og mahimo sa plan sa water lines.
nami taripa 7.5 ang minimum
So,
residential
mao gid na siya kay ang sa planning karon wala gid siya specialist when it comes to plumbing. So mao to siya madugay kay dili sila expert. Oh. So kaya mao bitaw na resulta karon ang kung nay findings na wala siya nagmatch kay dili gid sila kabalo sa mga fittings sa mga kung say panggamiton. Kung pwede na kuno mo guide na master plumber sa planning. Kay kung base lang sa experience nila mao bitaw nila estimate so sayop man di ay base sa findings sa master plumber.
Mr. Presiding Chair, nag-request dito sa Engineer D nga magpamimo lagi siya ni DE nga requesting all master plumber daw nga when it comes sa kanang sa estimate sa plumbing works magpa-assist daw siya sa mga master plumber. Yung-
sa dili man sa necessary nga master plumber na mag-prepare magpatudlo lang sila unsaon kay kumbaga magpa-demo lang sa inani sa kanang knowledge dili mo na sa automatic sa master plumber kay ano man na siya kanang actual experience acquired wala na sa board exam so as we go along as we check the mga plans they will learn naman si master plumber Jimson Nakakita mo sa plumber, Jimson, Dudong, Gary. Oh. Next. Dili ko sa dito. Dapat ang ano ni sila pag reproc man bagi declare na sa sulod ma'am arrangement medyo along the way matrabaho naman na siya. Ang akong concern ni kung musigo ba ang building. Sa mura na masigo siya. Sigo gapon sana. Kanang yellow, let's roof line na building line. Nah.
Basta kay ato lang give me.
So remind the planning and design section na ma-delay, i-postpone gid ang deadline na ni kay hanging pa man siya. Ah. So May 26 ang first initial deadline. Next item.
Sir Presiding Chair, ato gid sa siguro pa-approve ang atong plan. Kay aron na pud unya mo change na pud ang iyang kuan. At least wala na rason, approve na. Dayon tanan gid niya unta nga mga request, mga proposals documented gid sa ato. Kay mo ra gid na ang atong
Kami.
nga panglaban niya.
Floor plan rin approve niya. So napay item dai.
Third, item 10132C, fabricated metal roofing accessory, gauge 24, 0.01 mm. Gutters was included in LUPA and ABC with no amount reflected in ABC. So Engineer Ranalan also confirmed that it was not included in the program of works. Fourth, non-standard materials name and specification on DUPA for item 9001C, structural concrete class A. It should be gravel, sand, and Portland cement. Next, detailed plan for rebars on beam and slab connection. This leads to confusion on whether beam depth adds to slab thickness or subtracted to slab thickness. Inconsistency for item 1003 1A1, ceiling DUPA includes hanger bars or rod, while DED shows single purring as ceiling hanger. Other issues, Engineer Zamora said that during the site visit, the municipal mayor of Sagay had a concern particularly about the comfort room. She would like to know if it was all he he would like to know if it was also included in the program, such as the partitions. So Engineer Ranalan said that she already included it in the program. Engineer Lapiceros recommends that existing buildings also be included in the plan to determine whether there is still enough space for the building. Engineer Hamero asked Mr. Bonachita to revisit the municipal mayor of Sagay regarding his issues and will follow up at the next meeting. Engineer Hamero also added the roofing to include the flashing details in the plan and also the detailed plan of the fire exit. Engineer Lapiceros recommends including to a fire exit steel door in the program.
We would like to request a copy of the issues and concerns to be provided to the TWG kaya di sila aware as a planning. Kanang mga issues and concerns. Okay. So pending man tanan, so let's proceed with the presentation.
So good afternoon once again. Our project to be presented now is 26K E0031 or construction or completion of multipurpose building operation center Barangay Poblacion Sagay Camiguin with the coordinates of 124.7247222 degrees and 9.104886111 degrees. The ABC for this project is 14,888,879.02. Next. So for the project details, the appropriation for this project is 15 million. Klaro ba? Zoom ba na? With the fund source of GAA FY 2026 with a net area of 582 square meters with a height of 8.6 meters. The project duration is 198 working days with 16 predetermined unworkable days and a total of 214 calendar days for its contract duration. Program is approved by DE Nobinida G. Acera. Now for the bill of quantities, we have here item A1, A.1.13, or construction of field office for the field engineer, 1 lump sum. B.31, ano na? Permits and clearances, 1 lump sum. Project billboard or signboard, 1 each. Occupational safety and health, 1 lump sum. 1 each, kabutang. Lao. 1 each. Ante. Kumantay. Mobilization or demobilization, 1 lump sum. Removal of structures and obstruction, 1 lump sum. Structure excavation, common soil, 476.8 cubic meters. Embankment from roadways or structure excavation, common soil, 444.11 cubic meter. Gravel fill, 26.3 cubic meters. Structural concrete, 3,000 PSI, Class A, 300.28 cubic meters. Reinforcing steel bars, grade 40, 13,503.59 kilograms. Reinforcing steel bars, grade 60, 23,735.2 kilograms. Formworks and false works, 1,324.77 square meters. Ceiling, 4.5 mm metal frame fiber cement board, 485.78 square meters. Finishing hardware, 1 lump sum. Aluminum frame glass door sliding type, 21.42 square meters. Aluminum frame door swing type, 31.08 square meters. Aluminum glass window sliding type, 34.02 square meters. Aluminum glass windows awning type, 9.1 square meters. Aluminum glass windows fixed type, 12.71 square meters. Doors flush, 18.57 square meters. Doors wood panel, 9.45 square meters. PVC doors and frames, 8.4 square meters. Frames, jambs, seals, head, transoms, and mullions, 10 set. Pre-painted metal sheets above 0.427 mm rib type, long span, 297 square meters. Waterproofing, cement base, 107.45 square meters. And glazed tiles, 87.5 square meters. Glazed tiles, 353.56 square meters. Cement plaster finish, 1927.01 square meters. Painting work steel, 46.14 square meters. CHB non-load bearing, 100 mm, 758.82 square meters. CHB non-load bearing, 150 mm, 60.05 square meters. Isumpay na. Metal structures, one lump sum, structural steel trusses, 3,586.91 kilograms, structural steel purlins, 2,327.21, metal structure accessories, bolts and rods, 86.18 kilograms, metal structure accessories, turnbuckle, 56 each, metal structures accessories, sag rods, 74.58 kilograms, metal structure accessories, steel plates, 443.84 kilograms, metal structure accessories, one lump sum, sewer line works, one lump sum, storm drainage and downspout, one lump sum, cold water lines, one lump sum, plumbing fixtures, one lump sum, conduits, boxes and fittings, one lump sum, wires and wiring devices, one lump sum, panel board with main and branch breakers, one lump sum, and lighting fixtures, one lump sum. Now for the detailed engineering design plan. This is the floor plan, the roof plan, for the elevations, cross sections, schedule of doors and windows, second floor reflected ceiling plan, foundation plan, and tie beam plan, second floor framing plan and roof beam framing plan, typical details for columns, for beams, slabs, also the schedule, a roof framing plan, truss details, plumbing layouts, ground floor lighting layout plan and second floor lighting layout plan, power layout plan, and findings. That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Akong question ani ba si architect siguro ta to ani. Ang hagdanan ba grabe kalayo sa entrada no? Kanang pagsulod di mo sa building, mupadung ka sa second floor, musugok pa ka adto ka sa tumoy na floor plan. Ang hagdanan to sa likod. Okay ra sila ni. Tara hagdanan likod oh. Kumusod ka sa entrada may dito na hawan na parang hagdanan. So, kung masunog ni siya, ano, so sila yung akay mudaganan. Ang hagdanan ba? Kana bitang kanimo. So, di ba sa mga bahaw boss sada kay boss? Nisud mo sa main, ang pa second floor nara sa kana sa mga bahaw nisud mo na sa main entrance. Pwede ka mo diretso sa ground floor, pwede ka ang hagdanan nara sa kilid, pasaka. Di ba orag
kay ang PBFP ang kami permits to kan kung pila sila mga collections kasi mga tapos sa kuwan.
Oh, na murag ano, layo lagi kay hagdanan. To? Di kay in case of emergency naka second floor, nasunog diri. Siguro dagang ka dito, balik ka diri. Agian mo tibok building. Ito na nga duha man pud ni. Uh, sa ang layo kay lagi boss mo ang PWD boss musaka ka second floor boss tanawa boss ika ka sa diri sa grade A padto pa ka sa likod grade H saka ka hagdanan. Kung mopadong ka sa room sa office ani na grabe ay, imong lako ng tibok building dito saka balik ko rin. Oh. Dili, ang kuang gini sa ma'am no ipa apply gini building permit before mag kuan siguro magbuhos kay delikado kini sa fire. Pero dapat ang oh, dapat na review. Ang mambahaw tsada punto mambahaw kay sud ka ana, pwede ka mo dito. Kato sa boss, tsada tog plano boss. Para to sa na puno lang to sa kulom kay kat mo na madungan og wala madungan og release ba. Na doble ang kulom sa Naiport sinumpayan. Pero kini mo off kayo ba musaka ka sa second floor nga gikan ka sa front ani dire putahan sa front sud pa ka sa building to hagdanan dito pikas mo ay ka musaka pero sa luyo ba ang pwede sa building so luyo ito maka ka sa second floor hindi ko man to Nas kilid do, nas kilid sa ground floor. Nas second floor na apo do. Taas. So kung example ini para exit na boss mabangga mirror ni building. Ang po do ni para exit mo lukong. So wala. We will now ask the prospective bidders for their questions and comments, queries. Mel?
Di ba naaman to permits and clearances. So kay naman tayo i-demolish, so possible included siguro gid sa permits and clearances ang demolition permit. Sa ilahara na. Okay. Ang permit sa ilahan na. Sige kay. So dapat i-process sila daan ilang permit. Bago ay din mag NTP kay basig mo kon ba? Tawad para ba na? Additional, Mr. Chair, kanang sa drainage, included ang drainage sa building. Downspout, then drainage. So di man kay, so na catch basin, so na siya pipe lang. Padulong katong sa ilang kanal. Then additional is kanang sa ceiling gani, kanang iyahang joint. Unsa included unsa na tawag tape? Joint tape. Sa consumable na siya nabutang. Okay, thank you. Dili siya pwede sa masilya mo gyapon dito. Ang kanang joint tape. Na siya na include siya sa DOPA. Okay, thank you.
Miss Ralias, naki-question ma'am? Si Miss Tadlas? Kasi na siya. Poblasyon. Si Charlie Gigers, na question? Back members, Ma'am Nona, Ma'am Nisil. So, wala na questions. Let's proceed to the next project. 26K032. Construction Operation Center, Mahinog.
For back PWG findings,
Sit first the item 1.
the CCTV plan specifications are lacking and must be updated accordingly. It should be clearly reflected in the plan that CCTV cameras 1, 2, and 3 are intended for outdoor installation and shall be of high quality outdoor rated type. The specifications of all materials and equipment to be installed should be clearly reflected in the plans and technical details, considering that the contractor will rely mainly on the approved plans during procurement and implementation. Complete specifications are necessary to ensure proper identification of required materials, compliance with standards, and avoidance of ambiguity during construction. Next, as reflected in the plans, there is a requirement for one smart LED 4K TV, 65 inches with wall mount bracket, high quality, intended for the conference room. However, the same is not reflected in the program of works, although a POW item exists for the said TV. It is currently allocated for the radio room. Clarification and corresponding revision in the program of work are therefore necessary.
Posa.
Feel pa ba niyo? Else, ay nara. Engineer Boholano asked if this project was being coordinated based on phase 1's variation order. Engineer Corpin answered that they will revisit the LGU to ask them what their less priority is, since tiles were not yet included during phase 1.
So, nag-visit me actually tulo ka times na kay during the first and second visit nag-leave ang mga engineer in charge. So pagbalik na mo ikatulo ka gayon, na-decide nila na isunod ang tiles pero tanggalon ang uban na item. So i-discuss na ko niya kung sa'yo na bilin. Pero naay siya ikuan. Na siya nangatanggal sa kuan na sa mga CCTV na remove sa aircon. So i-discuss lang na ko niya. Pero actually na kuan na correct na tanan.
Okay na. So let's proceed with the presentation.
Dili mo open ang presentation ba? Kini. PowerPoint. Wala pa na akong i-open, hindi pa ma-open. Hmm. Wrapping insra ang building. Oh, 1 million hapit 2 million ng tiles. Oh. Yan sa ako po ng USD. Open. So, ito kan Jameson dito nagikuha. Jadi, napang i-open, i-remove lang eh. I-remove lang pa. Hindi rin lang open. Ano? May gawas na? Yes, sir. So for our third project, construction completion of multipurpose building phase 2, Operation Center, Barangay Poblacion, Mahinog, Camiguin, with coordinates 124.78358667 and 9.156606. So this is the perspective of the project, the building, Opsin Mahinog. For our project's description, floor area of the building is 582 square meters. Appropriation is 5 million. The ABC is 4,950,439 and 34 centavos. Duration is 100 calendar days. Height of the building is 8.6. Completion of two-story building. For the duration, the derivation of calendar days, one is derivation, 11 Sundays, 7 holidays, 11 unworkable days. Total is 100 calendar days. For the minimum equipment requirements, required ni para sa bidder during sa iyang technical proposal. So mo ni siya mga required na equipments na dapat na ang bidder. So 1 cargo truck, 2 1 bagger mixer, 3 dili pa. So 1 cargo truck, 1 bagger mixer, 1 welding machine, 1 bar cutter, 1 bar bender, 1 water truck, 1 dump truck, 1 backhoe, dump truck and counting outfit, 1. This is the floor plan of the building. So same ra siya sa option sagay. Ano siya ang detail sa lighting layout. Detail sa aircon layout. So ang mabili na nun sa aircon kanina lang sa second floor dito sa ilang meeting hall. Kani siya function room. Duha na lang kay aircon ang nabilin. Ang uban wala. Sa network cabling, wala siya network cabling, CCTV layout ang kuan lang. Public address. So mo ni siyang bill of quantities. Construction of field office for the engineer, 1 lump sum. Permit and clearances, 1 lump sum. Project billboard, 2 each. Occupational safety and health, 1 lump sum. Mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum. Ceiling, 4.5 metal frame, fiber cement board, 252 square meters. Carpentry and joinery works, 1 lump sum. Finishing hardware, 1 lump sum. Frame glass door sliding type, 21.42. Aluminum frame glass door swing type, 31.08 square meters. For aluminum glass windows sliding type is 34.02 square meters. Aluminum glass window awning type is 9.1 square meters. Aluminum glass windows fixed type is 12.71. Next is doors and windows, plus door is 18.57 square meters. Wood panel is 9.45 square meters. Frame jump seat, transom and mullions is 10 seats. Unglazed tiles is 79.80 square meters. Glazed tiles is 731.10 square meters. Cement plaster finish is 358.4 square meters. Painting works, masonry and concrete is 541.7 square meters. Painting works, wood 18.27 square meters. Railing is 1 lump sum. Pole mounted distribution transformer with complete accessories, pole type is 1 lump sum. Lighting fixtures is 1 lump sum. CCTV, 1 lump sum. Air conditioning split type is 1 lump sum. For the detailed scope of works, so ang ceiling is ground floor lang ang ceiling. Ang carpentry and joinery works is conference table, office chair, and executive chair. Sa finishing hardware, lever type doorknob, 25 pieces, and hinge, 75 pieces. For sliding type na door is para sa door 1, 4 sets. For swing type na door 2, 5 sets, door 3, 4 sets, and door 4, 7 sets. For window sliding type, window 3, 3 sets, window 4, 15 sets, window 5, 1 set. For aluminum glass window awning type, window 7, 4 sets, window 8, 12 sets, and window 9, 1 set. For aluminum glass window fixed type is window 1, 2 sets, and window 2, 1 set. For door plus, door 6 is 2 sets, door 7, 3 sets, door 8 is 10 sets. Door wood panel, door 5 is 5 sets. Ipilit, ano. So, frames, jam sails, head transoms, and mullions is para sa door 5, 5 sets. Pero na-correct na ni siya. Cement plaster finish, ang partition lang sa ground floor, 358.4 square meters. Ang i-plaster finish. Ang second floor human na. Painting works wood, katuning door 5, door 6, and door 7. Railing is stainless steel railings for stairs, ramp, and terrace. So, complete. Painting works sa masonry and concrete, partition ground floor, katong partition ganina, o ceiling din sa ground floor, katong ceiling po na item. Mato siya ang i-painting. Muna siya ang additional is unglazed tiles, ground floor and second floor, flooring and CR walls. So unglazed tiles. Ay, baliktad mo ba? Tama, baliktad. So for glazed tiles, muna siya ang ground floor dahil second floor sa flooring ug walls. Ang unglazed is ground floor and second floor CR flooring. Nabali. Nabalin sa presentation. So mo lang siya nabilin sa gitanggal natong uban na item, ang gibilin mo na ni siya. Ang landing pictures mo ni siya ang nabilin. Sa pole mounted distribution transformer, as is siya sa dati, wala siya nausab. For CCTV, mo ni siyang nabilin siya. Kuan lang siya, wrapping ins. Wala na siya katong mga CCTV mismo na kuan. For air conditioning, mo na siya na duha na lang ka 2.5 wall mounted split type. Dito ni sa second floor katong ilagyod operation center. Na wiring sang aircon lang mo unit lang wala. Morato, Mr. Chair.
Engineer Corpin, but kini ng carpentry and joinery works, 1 lump sum. Ang kabutang kay conference table with office chair and executive chair, 1 set. So isa ra ka table, isa ka chair, isa ka executive. Nasa sa drawing. Butang sa drawing. Alo. Sili mo hindi. Tanan ako makita na ang labisa ipa-provide na ko. Ha? So, nga gina sa drawing ay. Wala man dili man ko on sa contractor dupa. Lagi po, di man na makuha sa kontraktor. Hardwood, MDF, glass. So, muna ang mga kulang ng mga details, ma'am. So,
I-reflect lang kita kay pag-quote, ana.
okay, kinundong ko sa una katong barangay hall sa ano, naabot na nana carpentry. Ang gibuhat kay Marine plywood gihimong mga kabinet o lamisa. Okay, mahimo kay Do we have questions and queries from the prospective bidders? We begin with Mamel.
Regarding sa aircon, katong 2.5 horsepower, asa to sabutan sa second floor, first floor? So second floor, so ang iyahang condenser, asa siya butang?
Sa bongbong ra.
Kay ang kon man gud ana isa ang copper wire, ang copper tube. Kung layo siya, gamay ra ba na among kon ana man gud? Basing taas na siya ba, lahi man gud ang price man gud anang copper tube. Og iyahang drainage kana. So tungod ra sila. At so duol ra sila.
Same level
Pero
sila.
ang drainage anha, kinara ba sa sulod ang aircon? Da kanang sana ka magtulo.
Full type makana. Split type.
Type
Nani.
inani
Ang drainage sa gawas.
dili kay naa sa sulod man ang iyang kwan. Iabay. Kay kasagaran mo gud sa mong kwan kay lahi ang sa kwan.
Kung floor mounted. Kung floor mounted ang
So kwan na sila. So man akong gi-question kay kasagaran dili man gud siya makita sa mag-program ang kanang sa aircon ang kanang tube. Copper tube o kanang drainage. Yeah, thank you.
The favored contractor of Mahinog. Any comment from CLC? Can FNTC, ma'am? None? Gotcha. Judgers? Wala. Ma'am Nuna? Ma'am Nesil? So let's proceed to 26 KE 0033 completion of Sitio Madling, Tuburgo Street, Barangay Poblacion, Katarman. Ay, tigasa mo na siya. Kiboro? Kiboro lang taunahan, kinaman si sir. Sawa pa mo, yun na to sila yun. 26 KE 0034, construction of road Sitio Kiboro, Barangay Poblacion.
Sino tong TWG? Sa TWG, sir, dili na corrected na. Anala isa sa TWG nga finding, sir. Kaning, as shown in the plans, the thickness of sub-base course is 150 mm. However, it is stipulated in DO 70. Okay na ne? So next, Engineer Corpin said that there is an additional 30 meters at the crossing part of the road. So Engineer Hamero asked if there were coordinates stated in the title of GAA, since they were not reflected in the plan. Engineer Basilan answered that they will revise the title reflected in the plan since all the titles reflected in the GAA should be followed. Engineer Lapiceros asked what type of structure need to be constructed in the junction. So Engineer Corpin answered that a culvert will be installed at the junction. And last, Engineer Corpin relays the update regarding the right-of-way that there are only 20% who have not yet negotiated.
Kisa mo negotiate ang kuan, barangay? Kay we will just remind the LGU kay dili man siya National Highway ang mag-lead gid sa negotiation acquisition is the LGU. So unless National Highway. Okay. So wala man, let's proceed with the presentation with Ms. Cartagena.
So good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Mr. Presiding Chair. For the fourth project, we have construction of road, Sitio Quiboro, Barangay Poblacion, Municipality of Wambahaw, Province of Camiguin, with a total length of 340 linear meters. Ay, sobra yun.
Plus 35 na nag-cross. Na sa ulitin na ako. Okay.
So the beginning of the project is from station 0.90 plus 0 to station 0.90 plus 340. So let's now proceed to the typical roadway section of the project. The total width is 4 meters with a line canal of 0.5 meter. Sa plan, makita din itong item 200, which we have 0.15 meter thickness. And then the item 311B1 Portland cement concrete pavement, we have 0.20 meter thickness. And the tie bars to be used is 16 millimeter diameter spaced at 0.75 meter on centers. So this is the details of the canal. For the canal, the used RSB for the horizontal and the vertical bars is 10 millimeters diameter. And for the horizontal bar, it is spaced at 0.15 meter on centers. And for the vertical bar, it is spaced at 0.14 meter on centers. The foundation fill for the canal is, the thickness is 0.10 meter. So wala siya cover ang so open canal.
Pero depende lang niya.
Kasi ipabiyon na kayo na pa may pwede mong tanggalan tong 35.
And then for the plan and profile of the project, we have 2 RCPCs located at the beginning and the second intersection sa yan siya. Ha? Program na. Wala pala ko present ang ano da. So the project, this contract we have again, we have 0.68 linear kilometers. Naglag na siya. Ay, gabi. With the project duration of 27 calendar days and 10 predetermined or unworkable days and with total contract duration of 37 calendar days. 37, 1 month kapin. So here's the a bill of quantities. First, the construction of field office for the engineer, 1 lump sum. Provision of furnitures or fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the field office of the engineer, 1 lump sum. Project billboard or signboard, 2 each. Occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. Traffic management, 1 lump sum. Mobilization or demobilization, 1 lump sum. Surplus common excavation, 705.795 cubic meters. Foundation fill, 16.925 cubic meters. Pipe culverts and drain excavation, common soil, 31.615 cubic meters. Embankment from roadway excavation, common soil, 92.19 cubic meters. Aggregate sub-base course, 225 cubic meters. Portland cement concrete pavement unreinforced, 200 mm thickness for 14 days, 1,504 square meters. Reinforcing steel deformed grade 40, we have 4,416.72 kilograms. Structural concrete class A, 20.68 MPa for 28 days. We have 44.005 cubic meters. Pipe culverts, 910 mm diameter, class 4 RCPC. We have 37 linear meters. And pipe culverts, 610 mm diameter, class 4 RCPC. We have 8 linear meters. That would be all, Mr. Chair.
So thank you, Madam Cartagena. We would like to ask the end user if you have any more questions, sir, or comment for the project.
Tacloban. And
Kato, kung pwede, tanggalan na to ang provision sa kuwan ng good side local stock.
Sa kuan.
Isang nagsasak sa lang stock. Natin sa hindi ko siya. Yan, pwede naman ko to paan tong 35. Kaya para lang makaberag ka na. Yan kung ang class I, mukha mo local stock. Okay. Hindi na pwede pa class ko. Ang class A, pwede pa yung po na nakuha na ng substance. Anyway, yung po naman.
0.5.
Pwede class na, wala kita na mga kinuha.
Pero I suggest kanang cover, dapat flat bar na siya. Dili ang sa pinaka efficient na section sa pagbuat sa gratings is ano man, flat bar tapos removable, i-frame mo tayo mo siya. Ano, mas gaan ni mas imong kilogram mas taas imong maabot kaysa sa kung gamiton nimo rebar. Katading 36 meters sa nag-cross. So sa man i-apas na to sa before sa deadline sa bid bulletin or variation na lang? Sige. So as if na lang. Anyway,
Dapat din sa problema dahil na itungkuan na sa total district na nag-cross. Crossada na yung pagkakapag pinag-illusion na lang. Ito sila mga patro.
Sa i-coordinate barangay no coordinate ana sa water district ni Palawom. So, kagawad, katong na-foresee naman nga naay tubo nga ni Labang, pwede ma-coordinate lang sa water
Pwede
district.
Water district.
Si ano si Atade? Yasawa. Okay. So from the prospective bidders, okay, muna tayo mo sir. Okay.
Okay na.
Prospective bidders, any question or queries regarding the project?
Mr. 37 calendar days.
DO, basta kalsada o sa to
Lagi kay, di mo gusto.
o eskwelahan, dili kita maka-adjust.
Lagi kay, ang kwan mong god kay, okay ra boy na muyo kanang wagi tao.
Dili.
Sa pikas.
Katong intersection mo to propose na agyanan.
Agyanan, proposed na agyanan.
Nasa post center. Pwede ito mo agi tambakan ng da. Tungaon.
Lagi kay 37 calendar days, ang curing 14 days. Murag lang.
Di man kay
Napay-ungad.
give na dan yung
Engineer.
Pwede kay
pagian mo gid ah. Diya kung
Di kay ang mga
na guess na
lagi. Kay ang kwan gani anha, Mr. Chair, kanang ang mga transit mixer ba, mga equipment na to, di man gud gagmay, dagko na man gud. So kanang 2 meters, di gud na maigo. Mo kwan gud na sila, mo tunog asa sila makakuan mo ng 37 calendar
Ako
days.
try nugangan siya kay ang kanang 37
Sa
pilang na wala pa yung mga drainage structure na
Oh, ang drainage na pa yun niya. Mag-additional pa pudpuhon sa
ring ko dahil maximum po 4 per day sa meters base sa DO na sa kanang traffic management 100 meters with per day.
100.
Sa tibok yan.
Yeah, ang kwan sa danha manggod ang sa ganina kanang formworks forms kanang inyohang formworks if sana for uses pag yun. So kung inanha mag-additional ni murag mo kung kanato basihan mo murag kung namas may kunay additional sa 37 calendar days.
okay, so Mike,
Thank you.
ma-change pa niya ang calendar days, Mike. Kadugang pa ka. So, i-bid bulletin. Di naman na ma-change ang calendar days kung mabid na. So, deadline ma'am, May 26, yapon ma'am. So, submit the revised schedule before May 26. Okay, thank you. From CLC, Ms. Ralias. From FNTC, Ma'am Glenda. Ma'am Tadlas. Ikaw kagawad, okay na ka? From judges. So, from the back members, Ma'am Nuna, Ma'am Nisel. Proceed to the final project. 26K033, Sitio Madling to Burgos Street, Barangay Poblacion, Katarman. To be presented by Engineer Tia. Ay, wala ta sa kuan.
Aside sa back PWG findings, Mr. Chair, kana Engineer Basilan said they will correct the diameter number of rebar indicated in the plan. Sorry.
Kanang other issues nga wala sa TWG findings. Wala na. So let's proceed. Engineer Salyaw. Salyaw 1.
For the next project, construction completion of Sitio Madling to Burgos Street, Barangay Poblacion, Catarman, Camiguin, with coordinates 124.6788, beginning 9.129901333, and end coordinates of 124.67635533 and 9.1274095, with two sections. Section 1, Station 40.48 plus 594 to Station 40.48 plus 977.9. Na-share eh. Wala nag-share. And Station 40.48 plus 5. And Section 2, Station 40.48 plus 981.5 to Station 40.49 plus 024. And for the line canal, station limits, Station 40.48 plus 594 to Station 40.48 plus 760, both sides, line canal. Station 40.48 plus 900 to Station 40.48 plus 960 for right side only. And for the Section 2 line canal, Station 40.48 plus 780 to Station 40.48 plus 840, left side only, with a total PCCP length of 0.853 lane kilometers and a line canal length of 0.452 lane kilometers. Total appropriation of 10 million with an approved budget with ABC of 9,803,739.35 centavos. Total contract duration of 114 calendar days with 65 working days and 49 days of predetermined unworkable days. For the quantities, we have a construction field office for the engineer, 1 lump sum. Project billboard, signboard, for each. So, duha ka COA, duha ka DPWH. Occupational safety and health, 1 lump sum. Traffic management, 1 lump sum. Mobilization and demobilization, 1 lump sum. For earthworks, individual removal of trees, small diameters, 7 each. Surplus common excavation, 2,624.4 cubic meters. Pipe culverts and drain excavation common soils, 16.4 cubic meters. For embankment from roadway excavation common soil, 972.64 cubic meters. For the sub-base and base course, we use aggregate sub-base course with a total quantity of 511.68 cubic meters. Surface courses, PCCP unreinforced 20 millimeter thickness, 14 days curing, 2,132 square meters. For drainage and storm protection structures, 5 culverts, 910 millimeter diameter class for reinforced concrete pipe culvert, 8 linear meters. Grouted riprap class A, 763.96 cubic meters. Stone masonry, 2.94 cubic meters. And for the miscellaneous works, trees, 700 each. Trees, transplanting, 3. 100 trees each, corresponding to 1 removal of trees. For the DED, this is the location of the project. Ibabaw lang siya sa may kanto patong sa liko na. Going up. So ang project site beginning is sa ibabaw, panaog sa kanto, corner. O katong may box culvert diri dapit connect na. Kani siya diri. Box culvert wala na show siya sa plan. Existing dayon going to the junction na. Piyot. Detail for the facilities for the engineer. Let's jump to the typical cross section of the pavement. For the normal cut, as you can see, mayroong snow protection na grout riprap class A both sides with line canal. 2.5 meter width ang carriageway with a 1 meter shoulder na ang item na gigamit is same lang sa aggregate sa base course. So base course to 150 millimeter thick. So shoulder same lang ni sila na. For the cut section, na slope protection na grouted riprap class A, slope is 1:2 and guard block. Again, 2.5 meter width lagi hapon, 1 meter ang shoulder. Detail for the line canal, 1.6 meters total width, gross length. Net width is 1 meters with base to 500 millimeter. Depth niya 500 millimeter. Then, so ito yung cross section niya. Typical grade, ay nawala. Usual grade sa site, 13 point, ano wala. Usual grade ng site is around 13% ang grade. So may okay pa ni siya. Tolerable pa, makasaka pa ang nagbike. Pero makasaka magbike pero kapuyan na. Kaya 13%. Madala pa na. So pubuotan ni. Then ito yung typical mga cross sections. So first part of the project, sa beginning kung mapansin nyo, mostly cut siya. Cut. Pag-abot lang sa sa bandang station 840 dito 840 800 to 980 nagsugod na yung fill niya ito. Initially full cut. Yung gikat po dili po entirely cut, gikat lang siya to widen the carriageway. Kay cut man siya daan. And then gradually nag-convert na siya sa fill section to compensate dun sa existing na RCBC. Ayan. Maaari ni. Na gamay kani, ganito. Mag-apas lang. So mao na siya. So showing the slate line diagram. Ito yung PCCP entire length, mas PCCP siya. Yung white na nakikita niyo dito, ito yung section ni RCBC, box culvert. And outer part ng mga color blue ng mga line canal. And kading white na ani is blanco, isa na nasa yung shoulder. Drainage niya, drainage grid na siya. So, any question? That's all, presiding Mr. Chair.
Leaders, do you have a question or queries regarding this project? We start with Madam Mel. Wala. Naka-question? Question lang, wala bayad.
Okay, job. About sa, di ba, cut and fill siya. Unsa na siya exist nga, di mo guna kung nakatong pagbansa yung mga sa kanang atong i-cut na to nga soil, na siya exist nga volume sa atong makat.
Excess.
Existing road mo na siya.
Existing siya.
Sumpera ka sa existing road.
Pero ako po kanang basing na siya kana ilaw kailangan ilabay nga kon baka dili na siya
Surplus na.
mapumakan sa
Ako surplus, wala surplus, Mike. 2,000 surplus, labay mo na.
Labay ang 2,000 cube.
Ayun, labay, dawato na.
Ah,
Ikaw mo, kung, kung,
pero na siya kanang, di ba, naaman to sa una nga ang barangay or ang LGU na siya disposal nga area kung asa na to siya ilabay ang kana. Kay kana
Dili ka kung sa
tuod-
municipality. Pero within ka Tarman ra, pwede ra gyud.
pera, siguro, sa ikawas na.
tag 20. Tag 20 per cubic meter. Kuikan per cubic
Pila?
meter. Di ang ako pud kay ang kanang include ba siya sa ang howling niya ba kung pila ka meters gikan sa ilahang disposal nga area ang
Wala ra ba?
kung asa na to siya i-dispose ang kanang exist nga kon. Di kay kung layo mo siya sir kung walay area maglabay ka ang fuel na to.
Doctors lang nila yun. Libre. Asa ba tapos? Asa ba malabay ani?
Then appeal pud na siya sa ordinance ang province nga kung mugawas na gyud ta sa poblasyon or kung asa na siya poblasyon man na siya no. Kung lahi na sad ta na ko na gyud na 20 per cubic meter. 20. Excavated nga ang fuel kana gyud ang pag-dispose kung layo siya. Kay dapat na ba sa disposal area mong good. Per kumbiyan. Kay mahal naman gud ang fuel roll.
Ay, ilang bako dito sa may kanang sabi ko sa buhat sila mga diet lang hindi ko sa diet. Okay to. Nakita sila pa ng mga dito.
Ya kung in
Ang ikalat dito na si Mayor na sa service.
samot.
Ang hirap mo native anyang pero siyempre medyo na kain sa plus man na kain na volume 1,000. Narami ka sa kasan cover lang ako sa itaan pa lang best mo po siya. Itama ka dito matintali mo ng sa table. Makakala ko lang ni survey ko ani mo may survey sa bahay ang papel. Basta sa program na mo, within 5 kilometers yung howling kung asa nilabay. Basta matawag play on. Program dito. Equipment ba? Ikaw sa
Hauling ko overhaul.
From excavation na road excavation. Si surplus excavation na
Okay, 2,000. Then additional is ang calendar days is 114 calendar days na almost 1 kilometer na manggod ang trabaho with naapod siya katong
Same adto?
kanal na almost
Kana
by
concrete gyapon na
basing na kwan lang PCCP per 1 kilometer na manggod siya hapit 800 meters.
pero kini si Ate Mel opening man eh wala yung manghilabot ni Manny way mo agi sa giring. So
Ma-close gyud na to. Katong riprap. O katong slope. Di ba naman to yung slope protection niya? Tong riprap.
gyapon ang deadline.
Pakinot lang
So
sa
possible ma-change gyapon ang calendar days.
calendar days.
Calendar days
Oh.
plus kato yung howling sa
Howling.
surplus.
Pa-please ko sa minutes para mapasa sa planning design section yung issue.
Kay nanilaan ang minutes daw katong regarding sa calendar days ug
Calendar
sa
days.
howling.
And howling ng disposal site since surplus common excavation siya. Surplus excavation.
So let's move on to Miss Ralios na question, ma'am. Si Miss Tadlas. Wala. So Charlie. So Ma'am Nuna. Ma'am Nisil. So na-cover na tanan any more comments, ma'am? Any more
Just take note lang sa deadline.
deadline? Take note of the deadline, May 26.
May-
Okay.
Dili na to extend ang office.
Hmm.
Pero later na extend na kita ato.
Okay, so di mo kasabit sa May 26 ma-extend ang ma-post opening bidding. Kamo na yung manubag ni DE.
Request lang may sa minutes na kahit draft lang send kagad kay chief para ma-actionan kagad kay kung madugay base hindi actionan kagad.
Okay, we will.
Thank you.
So no more questions from TWG. So if there's none, may I hear from the one of the back members for the adjournment?
I move to close this pre-bid conference meeting.
I second the motion.
Since there is a motion for the adjournment by Engineer Nisil and seconded by Ma'am Nona, this pre-bid conference is hereby adjourned.